Hey chickadees, welcome back. I hope you guys had a great spring break. I sure miss you. I cannot wait to see you again. Um, I hope you got to rest over the break. I hope you got to go play outside. I hope you had a really good time over spring break. And now it's time for another week of e-learning. So let's pretend like we're sitting on the carpet and we will get ready to start. We'll start with our calendar. We're going to do some math like we're working in our day book, and we're going to do some reading today. So get ready. Okay, let's look at our calendar. Keston, I hope you had a good birthday. Saturday, April 11th. I cannot believe that you'll be 6, that you're turning 6. I hope you had a really good day. And so let's see, we had our spring break week that we were out, and now we're back to e-learning. And today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. My weather today is sunny. I'm doing this before you guys see it. So we're filling up the sunny days, so that's very good. Hope you guys can go get outside and play some today and get some of your energy out. Okay, let's look at our sentence. We have been in school 142 days. Let's check it out. Here's 100. That's 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here's 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Got 4 tens. That's 40. And here's our 2 ones for 2. So we have 142 days of school. Here it is on our 200 chart, 142. Now, let's think of some add-ins to make 10. Let's look at it, use our tens frame, and we'll get a random number. Let's see what number we get. Ooh, 7. Okay, so 7, we'll start with 7. Okay, how many empty spaces do we have to make 10? 7 plus what makes 10? Let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 7 and 3 make 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now let's do the related fact. We just have to change or reverse the order of the add-in. So we have 7 plus 3 equals 10. What's the related fact? 3 plus 7 equals 10. So either way we do it, 7 blue plus 3 red, or 3 red plus 7 blue equals 10. Okay, this is the Capri Sun problem we did last time, and we were trying to get enough Capri Suns in boxes and single Capri Suns to make 18 because that's how many chickadees we have in our class. So how many boxes did we need? We just needed one box of 10 because there's our 10, and we needed 8 single Capri Suns to make 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18, or 8 plus 10 equals 18. That's the related fact. Now let's look and see if we can make 14. We've got a box of 10 crayons. I love these. They're the really big ones. Allison used to use these when she was a toddler. 10 packs of crayon, a box of 10 crayons, and then some single crayons to make 14. So let's see, how many boxes and how many single crayons will we have to make 14? So let's see, here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have one box of crayons and then 4 individual crayons to make 14. So if we're making a number sentence, we have a box of 10. That's one box. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. And then our related fact, if we change the order of our add-ins here, we'll have 4 plus 10 equals 14. So 1 box and 4 single crayons to make 14 crayons. All right, here's the fact family we did last time. And remember, fact families all use the same numerals. We can use a number bond to show one part, another part, and the whole. And we're going to use all the same numbers. So we got 3, 4, and 7 this time. One part was 3, one part was 4, and one part was 7. So we did all these number sentences to describe our number bond. We did 3 plus 4 equals 7. We did the related fact, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now, when we do our subtraction facts, we start with the total. So we start with the total when we subtract because the biggest number goes first when we subtract. So we did 7 minus 3 equals 4. So 7 minus this part, and you get the other part. And then 7 minus 4, and then you get 3, which is the other part. So we use all the same numbers in a fact family. So got a new fact family to do today. So let's see. I'm going to give us another one. We're going to do 2 watermelons and 4 kiwi. Okay, so one part is 2. That's one numeral. One part is 1, 2, 3, 4. One part is 4. I'm going to have to turn this off to move them. Sorry about that. Okay, 2 and 4. Okay, so our total, this is one part, this is one part. To find the total, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 2, 4, and 6. That works out nicely like we're counting by twos. 2, 4, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. That's our total. One part is 2, one part is 4, and the total is 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. There it is. Okay, now let's look and do the related fact. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's change the order of the add-ins, and this time we'll start with 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, oh, there it is. So 2 plus 4 equals 6, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, when we're doing our subtraction facts, we've got to start with our total. Our biggest number has to go first when we subtract. So we're going to start with the total, and we're going to subtract each part. So 6 minus 2, so let's take 2 away. Oh, you know what? We can just move them over here. 6 minus 2, and you get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. So if you take away one part, if we're taking away the watermelons, you get the other part for the kiwi. So let's put those back. Now we'll subtract this part. 6 minus 4. So we'll put our kiwi back. So we're taking away that part. And how many do you have left? You have your 2 watermelon left. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's put our totals back together now, and we'll look at all of our sentences, addition and subtraction equations to describe this number bond family, or fact family. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Let's pretend like we're doing this word problem in our daybook. So I'll read the problem, and then we'll kind of talk through it and figure out what we need to do. Our class sold 5 glasses of lemonade to a soccer team. We sold 4 glasses of lemonade to the baseball team. How many glasses did we sell in all? That would be something fun to do, have a lemonade sale. So let's read it one more time and figure out what we need to do. Our class sold 5 glasses of lemonade to the soccer team. We sold 4 glasses of lemonade to the baseball team. How many glasses did we sell in all? So let's go to a fresh page in our day book. Okay, so if we did 5 glasses to the baseball team, so let's see, we did 5, there it is right there. Let's highlight it just because that's an important thing. We did 5 glasses. That's a really small one, huh? We did 5 glasses of lemonade to the soccer team. We sold 4 glasses of lemonade to the baseball team. And then let's look back at our problem. Our class sold 5 glasses of lemonade to the soccer team. We sold 4 glasses of lemonade to the baseball team. Now let's look at this. How many glasses did we sell in all? So when it's asking us how many glasses in all, it's asking us to find the total. So our answer is going to get bigger. We need to add. And our answer, when we add, is called the sum. So we've got our 2 add-ins. We've got 5 glasses that went to the soccer team and 4 glasses that went to the baseball team. Now let's see how many we had in all. So let's use our glasses of lemonade for counters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the ones that we sold first. Now let's see. So that's 5. And let's do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we can start with the biggest number and then we'll count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many glasses of lemonade did we sell all together? 5 plus 4 equals 9. If we did the related fact, we could change the order of the add-ins around. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, one more math game. We're going to do more or less. See what random numbers we get, and then you'll tell me which one is more and which one is less. Okay, so here's 8. 2, let's count by twos. 4, 6, 8. So which one is more, 8 or 0? 8 is more. 8 is more than 0. And then if we go the opposite way, we can do 0 is less than 8. Let's do another one. Oh, 8 and 8. I should have left my counters up. Let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 8 and 8. Those are the same. Our math vocabulary that we use when we say that two numbers are the same is we say they're equal. So 8 is equal to 8 because we can match these counters up 1 to 1 and they're the same. 8 is equal to 8. To play our real word nonsense word game, and look, when I opened the page, we had a real word there, 6. So let's start with that one. X. So we started with a real word. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to hold this middle one. And our short vowel for all of our words will have the I sound. So I words will be what we're doing today. Sieve. Sieve. So we'll put that one with nonsense word. Ill. Well, that sounds like a real word if we add 2 L's at the end. So let's do it like this. We'll make it into a real word by adding 2 L's. How about that? Oops. Come on. Pill. In. Now, I know you're thinking this is a real word, but it would be an E in the middle if it was a real word. So let's put this under nonsense words. Where'd it go? I thought I had it. Den. Okay, let's do two more. Ooh, I don't know even how to say this one, but the. That's a nonsense word. Yeah. Yeah. N. All right, one more. Is, Riz. Let's go through and we'll read our words quickly. We'll try to put them all together as we read. We'll do the onset and rhyme. So we'll do the first sound and then the end sound. That's what we'll do. Ill, pill. Six. Is, riz. In, yin. V. In, din. Sieve. Okay, now we're going to pull the letters down, pull the arrows down, and we're going to do some word families with the sound. So these word families have for our vowel. So we'll do ed first. So ed, wed, ed, fed, ed, led, ed, bled, ed, red, ed, bed. Okay, this time we're going to do et words. Et, get. Et, pet. Et, set. Et, bet. Et, yet. Et, jet. Et, fret. Et, wet. This time we have N words. N. N, den. N, ten. In, when. N, pen. N, then. N, men. N, hen. L. This time we have L words. Our rhyme is L. Let's look and see what our onset is. Smell, smell. Shell, shell. Tell, tell. Yell, yell. Well. Fell, fell. Sell, sell. Bell, bell. All right, let's look at our morning message today. I'll get my highlighter out so that you can see me track each word. Okay, so where do we start reading? Point to where we start. Which way do we go? And then when we get to the end, the period means stop. And then we go down to this part, and then that's what kind of mark is that? That's a question mark. Good. Then we go to the next one. And then at the end, here, and then here, and then there's our, what mark is that? It's another question mark. Ask a question that we need to answer. Okay, so let's start reading at the top. Do you see the capital letters at the beginning of each sentence? And then you have spaces in between each word. I want to see those in your journals when I read them. I can't wait to read them. Okay, so let's read. Today is Monday, April 20th. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. I think you guys already knew that. So let's look at some of the color words. Blue, red, green, yellow, orange. What was something fun you did at home during spring break? And you guys can tell me all this when we get together on our Microsoft Teams meeting. And I will send your mom and dad an email about that. But I can't wait to hear it. I'll tell you what I did during spring break, and it's not super fun, but we worked hard. We did some work in the house, and we did some painting and got Allison's room cleaned up and got my room cleaned up and painted. So we did some painting and painted the stairs. So super busy, but something that we needed to do. And it was fun when it was over. All right, let's read again. Today is Monday, April 20th. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. Blue, red, green, yellow, orange. What was something fun you did at home during spring break? And I can't wait to hear what you say. Okay, we've got some vowel consonant E words to do today. So we're going to do, here's our vowel. We'll put a consonant here and then an E at the end. And this pattern, vowel consonant E, makes a long vowel word. So let's see. Let me get these letters out first. All right. So when we see this vowel consonant E pattern, we know that we say the vowel name. So O, K, own, cone. Good. Okay. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to do this. When we see vowel consonant E, we know we say the long vowel sound, and this vowel is O. So we say O's name, O. H, own, hone. Hey, you know what would be good if I made a list of our words? Oh, we can use that. Okay. Oh, look, that one's one. Now, let's do this one. When we see the vowel consonant E, we know this vowel, O, is saying its name. O, l, own, loan. T, own, tone. Z, own, zone. Okay, guys, we are looking for words that have the same middle sound, and it's going to be that vowel sound that glues the word or sticks the word together. So I'll say the word, you find the two words that have the same middle sound. Hot, mat, flop. Hot, mat, flop. Which words have the same middle sound? Hot, flop. Sad top jam. Sad top jam. Which words have the same middle sound? Sad jam. Bag, bug, run. Bag, bug, run. Which words have the same middle sound? Bug, run. Bib, wig, pet. Bib, wig, pet. Which words have the same middle sound? Bib, wig. Oops. Nest, lamp, set. Nest, lamp, set. Which words have the same middle sound? Nest, set. All right. We are talking about short vowels and long vowels. We worked on those some during our lesson today. Let's look again at our short vowel O that makes the ah sound, like ox, octopus, dog, and top. And let's look at the long vowel O, overalls, oval, robe, rose. Those words have the long O sound where O says its name. Now, let's listen for the middle long O sound. And when you hear it, I want you to give me a thumbs up and say O. Must, zone, O. Mole, O. Doze, O. Fold, O. Lane, poem, O. Tote, O. 5. Buzz, sock, that has ah, not o. Stove, o. Do you hear o in cop or cope? Cope. Do you hear o in dot or dote? Dote. Do you hear o in hop or hope? Hope. Do you hear o in glob or globe? Globe. Boy. That OY makes the oi sound. Oi, boy. Here's a sight word for us. Out, go. And here's one of our vowel consonant E words. Ope, rope. Here's another one. Vowel consonant E. Home, home. Vowel consonant E. And then there's an S at the end, so we'll make sure to say the sound at the end. Hopes, hopes. Vowel consonant E. Pole, pole. And let's find our title, An Old Flag. A home has a big pole. A boy takes out an old flag. The flag can go out on the pole. The boy hopes he can run it up. He tugs and tugs on a rope. An old flag waves on a pole. So that's a pretty easy beginning, middle, and end in our story, right? So a little boy lives in a house that has a pole and he thinks, what can I do? What can I put on that pole? So he goes and finds an old flag and he now has a nice flagpole in his yard. Okay, let's do some sight words. Boy, out, some, there, down, they, said, that, up, for, but, on, him, can, his, as, have, to, at, am, we, of, had, you, a, in, and, go, I, has, the, see, he,